The process for removing a SIM card from any iPhone is basically exactly the same. So it doesn't matter if you have the latest iPhone or if you have one of the original iPhones, the process is going to be the same. There is this thing called a SIM card tray where the actual little SIM card sits in, and on older iPhones it's usually on the right side of the phone. So on an iPhone 4 or iPhone 6, it's on the right side of the phone here, and this is what it looks like. On newer iPhones, it's typically on the left side here on the bottom. So if I clean this up here, you should be able to see it on this side. And to remove a SIM card from an older iPhone to use it in a newer iPhone, typically in every iPhone case, there is this thing called a SIM card removal tool. And if for some reason you lost yours or it doesn't come in your case, this is what it looks like. I'll put a link. It's just a couple bucks to get one of these. You can use a paper clip, but I find this to be a lot easier and I just always use this one. So I have one handy all the time, but it does come in every iPhone case. And to remove a SIM card, all you have to do is take this tool and press into this tray right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press down, and then the SIM card tray should pop out. And if you take it out like this, this is your SIM card tray here. So this phone, I already took it out. So let me show you on a phone that actually has one. On this phone, I have a case, so I do have to take the case out. Let me go ahead and do that. And here is the SIM card tray on this phone. This is an iPhone 13 Pro. So I just have to press here and it's gonna pop out the tray. Now it's gonna say no SIM card installed because it's actually removed. Then I would just take it from here. And then let's say I was putting in this other phone. I would just take it from here. This pops right out. This is your actual SIM card now. You would take the other tray from the other phone. Let's say this is your newer phone, and you would just put it right in there and take it here and insert it into this phone. And just like that, as soon as you insert it, it's gonna detect that now this phone has a SIM card, and then I could use that same phone number. Now this works if both your phones are from the same service provider, and this is typically how I transfer from my SIM card from one phone to another phone, or if I'm getting rid of a phone, I usually don't sell it with the SIM card. And it's that simple to remove your SIM card from any phone using this little tool here. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.